What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to set nickname in Instagram chat. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application, and once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you just want to add a nickname. But let me tell you, this is an informative video, so let's get right into it. Head over to the DM section and just head over to any chat you just want to set a nickname on. Suppose I want to do it on this one, then just tap on their profile, and there is no option of adding nickname right here. So we check in the three dots icon, and there is no option in here either. So as you can see, the Instagram hasn't updated this system yet. So we need to have patience until just this system gets updated and we get to set our nickname in Instagram chat. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.